No. Did you see that?
No.
Fucking 300 black. With a pink, all pink studs.
Oh, God. Stupid motherfucker. Niggas do any old crazy shit.
Man, I put extra 4 straps on this.
Damn, nigga, I can't even hardly hold on. This shit tight than a motherfucker.
You video?
Yes, sir.
You got all that fucking cussing and shit.
All that motherfucking cussing, nigga. Niggas in church can't watch this shit.
At all. They ain't putting this shit on Facebook, not with them friends of yours.
Said them 2 niggas be cussing all day long in the motherfucking truck. Hell, motherfucking
and then
yeah.
You use the word niggas and shit, you know?
They're throwing racial epithets. Shit, it ain't the same without the N-word, nigga. That nigga almost died on that scooter. Yeah, we almost got his ass.
He wasn't expecting the big bitch to come around the corner.
Dumb fuckhead riding in the goddamn middle.
I bet you gotta go change his pins now.
Hell yeah. The Laurel Canyon, bitch.
You gonna come riding up the middle like you ain't shit, you know?
That'd be funny. We had knocked his ass on his ass.
Yeah, I'll be coming around faster than my normal mode. Pop! What? Shit, damn, girl. Where the fuck he come from?
Woo! Niggas done fucked that wall up more than once. God damn.
That look like that's a temporary, but now permanent wall.
Shit.